Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for all things beauty. Today we're diving into a product that's been making waves, the Burgundy 13x4 Deep Wave Lace Front Wig. This one promises a lot, so let's take a closer look to see if it truly delivers. The Burgundy Wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, with loose deep waves and a vibrant 99J burgundy color. This wig boasts 180% density, giving it a full and voluminous look. True to its length, it promises durability, softness, and a natural shine that mimics your own hair. Plus, it's completely free from tangles or shedding, which is often a concern when it comes to wigs made from human hair. It's also versatile enough to be styled in multiple ways, whether you're going for a side part, middle part, or even a high ponytail or bun. The cap itself is a 13x4 Swiss transparent HD lace front designed to be breathable, durable, and natural looking. With adjustable straps, the cap fits heads ranging from 22 to 22.5 inches. It's designed to suit all skin tones, and there's also baby hair around the edges, adding to the wig's natural appeal. What's really standout about this wig is its glueless design. Installation is easy, there's no need for adhesive, and with the pre-plucked baby hairs, it can be ready in less than 30 seconds. For wig beginners, this is an absolute plus. Now onto real-world testing. Putting this wig on was surprisingly simple. I didn't need to spend too much time adjusting it. The cap fit comfortably, and the glueless feature definitely makes it beginner-friendly. The wig feels soft to the touch, and the deep wave texture adds a lot of volume. The burgundy color is bold, but not overwhelming, and the hair had a very natural shine. Throughout the day, I didn't notice any tangling or shedding, which is a huge win. The lace melted into my skin very well, making the wig look seamless. However, let's talk about a few minor drawbacks. The wig, while beautiful, could be a bit heavy for some, especially if you're not used to wearing long, dense wigs. The 30-inch length adds a lot of volume, but you might want to trim it a bit if you're aiming for something more manageable. Also, though the wig is advertised as tangle-free, the deep wave texture did require some maintenance, especially when it came to keeping the waves defined. As for the pros and cons, let's break it down. On the plus side, the wig is soft, has a realistic look, and is easy to install. It's versatile, and the glueless feature is a big plus for ease of use. However, it's a bit on the heavier side, and the 30-inch length may not be for everyone. Also, like most wigs with deep waves, you'll need to take extra care to maintain the texture over time. So, is this wig worth the price? It certainly offers good value for the quality of the human hair used. The versatility, glueless design, and density make it a solid choice for anyone looking to add volume and color to their look. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, it does deliver on its promises and could be a great investment if you're after a high-quality wig that's easy to wear and maintain. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a budget, you might want to consider other Brazilian human hair wigs with similar designs. Some brands offer similar deep wave textures, but at a lower price point, though they might lack the same durability and overall quality. To sum up, the Burgundy 13x4 Deep Wave Lace Front Wig is a solid option if you're looking for a high-quality, easy-to-install wig with plenty of volume and a gorgeous, bold color. It's great for both beginners and more experienced wig wearers. Just be aware of its density and length, as it might require a bit more upkeep than some other styles. Now, if this review helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell icon so other wig enthusiasts can find this video too. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this wig or have any thoughts on it, drop them in the comments. The link to grab this wig is in the description box. See you next time, and remember, stay beautiful, stay beautyistic.